What's up guys, Kalen Bryan here, back at you today with yet another video giving you good content and good value. And in this video we're going to show you how you can step by step make money with Clickbank as a beginner using Instagram. Okay, you can make money as fast as today on Clickbank when you're using Instagram. Okay, so this channel is all about making money online, how you can create the life that you want, a life full of passion, freedom, and fulfillment. So if you guys like make money online videos and how you can, make passive money through affiliate marketing, drop shipping, social media, whatever it may be, you will want to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell, okay? Because I'm coming out with daily content just to show you some tools and some tips, the latest and the greatest to help you get the results and create the life that you want to have, okay? So let's go ahead and get in the computer. Let's go ahead and get in the computer and I can show you step by step, okay? Here we go. So first things first, guys. So if you want to make money with Clickbank, first of all, you need to have Clickbank, right? So all you do is go to clickbank.com, right? Clickbank.com. You can create an account. Let me just act like I'm a brand new user because some of you may not have Clickbank. All you do is you go in here to create an account. Clickbank is a pretty good source for any digital product and also has physical products depending on the category that you want to promote in. But you go in here, you put all your personal information in here, okay? And after you do that, Clickbank is pretty much in every country, all right? And after you put your personal information in, you go in and put your banking information in and account information, okay? So this is telling Clickbank, all right, if I make a sale, where do I send the money to? Okay, so you want to make sure you get all this information correct. Even if you want to open up a new bank account, do that. If you think something is fishy or not, or you don't trust it as much. Okay, so create an account in the Clickbank. After you do that, you'll get your login information. You go back to clickbank.com. All right, after you get your login, clickbank.com, and then you go log in. All right, and then you have your account nickname or your username. You put it here and whatever password you have, and after you have that info, you'll log in. And then after you log in, let it think. You want to go to your marketplace. Okay, I created an account for this for video purposes, guys. So after you create your account, you want to go to a marketplace and pick a product. Okay, what I try to advise everybody before they even get started with affiliate marketing or make money online or whatever, passive income, you want to pick a specific category. Yes, you can grow a brand or a business around multiple categories, but it's important or it's easier if you focus. If you focus on one category, one niche, you can see results faster and quicker and much easier. You don't have to, struggle as much if you were to have multiple categories. Okay, so you want to pick a niche before you even start your business. Whether it's the three golden niches are health, wealth, and relationships. Okay, and so in today's example, we're going to pick health and fitness. Okay, health and fitness is a really good niche to get into. Yes, there's a lot of competition, but if you take action daily, you can get in this niche, just as easily as anybody who's been in it for hundreds of years. Well, not hundreds of years, but for a couple of years, all right? Just be consistent and build your brand around it and offer value to your audience and your traffic, and you'll be there in no time, all right? So I picked my category, health and fitness, right? I usually like to sort by gravity. Gravity is saying, hey, this is how many times this product has sold for those who's promoting it. So this gravity score is amazing. Fat Disseminator System by West Virgin. So this is a new product actually too. So which will be big to start promoting right now. Let's say we want to promote this product. We pick this one. We hit promote. Okay, your account nickname. This is my username basically. This basically helps Clickbank to identify who I am, so that when I send traffic to this link, it is directly tied to me, so they know who to pay. All right, so this is the ugly link that you have right here. Okay, you'll get your link, the ugly link. You don't want to send people to that link, right? And you want to use a source called bit.ly.com. you go to bit.ly.com, link shortener, log in, or sign if you create an account if you don't have one. You want to make sure to do that. 1 second while I sign in. Okay. Once you create an account, and it's free, hit create, paste that long ugly URL there, and you can customize it here. So bit.ly.com, let's say fat DCM prod, something like that, right? And then you save it, and boom, it's done. Okay. So you have your link. You set your ClickBank account up. You've picked your niche, your category, and you've picked a good product that's high converting, that you'll get on average $24 and $26.44 per sale. And then if someone continues to use this product, you'll also get a recurring commission of $20.24 per person you refer to this product. Okay, so it's really good. It's a really good product. It looks like. Okay, and you have your link that you hit promote, and then bit.ly.com, you have your nice looking link there, and then now you want to get your traffic, right? And in this example, in this video, we're talking about how you can get instant sales, or a lot of sales instantly or quickly using Instagram. All right. Since I picked the fitness niche, what you can do is, if you don't have your own Instagram account, just go to Instagram.com and create your own account. It's easy to do. Create your own account. Let me go to mine. Whoop, no. Let me go to mine here. This is my account. So this is one I created maybe a couple of weeks ago. Just trying to get more followers. You can see I'm only following 8, but I have 56 followers already, and with only 24 posts. Okay, so you can do it this way. Create your own Instagram account and build your own brand. And what you need to do is, after you build your account, make sure your title and your profile picture are within your niche. Okay, if it's your own brand, put yourself there. My brand is Freedom Life Influencer. I have my website around that. And it's all about me and my brand, okay, and my life as an entrepreneur, making money online, right? And what you want to do is you want to post constant content, okay? Post content consistently. What I'm trying to say, okay? And the thing about it is, it does not always have to be your content. You can repost videos, viral videos from other people here, right? But as long as you give them credit. So if you post this video, like this one I got from a race car, or it's like a luxury car Instagram, I reposted this, but I gave the person who posted it credit, right? This is my video that I took and posted on Instagram, and I used tags. I used tags to get visitors and new people to my Instagram account, and they like it. 15 views and 15 no comments yet, but it's 15 views and a couple likes here. Like this one has 8 likes. Not my content. That's what you can do. You can post content daily and daily and daily around your category, around your niche, and then in your bio, or in the description of your post, you put a little value, or why you posted this picture or something, and then you ask people to follow you for more, but you also direct them back to your bio. If they want to learn more about how you're being successful or how you're doing something, you refer them or give them a call to action to go visit the link in the bio, and then that's where it is. That's where you put your Bitly link. Yes, what you put or whatever it is. It doesn't have to be Bitly. If it's a prettier link than that, put that there. But this is where you will put your affiliate product at, so that when someone sees your post on Instagram, they'll go straight to your bio and say, "Oh, I want to look more. I want to see more of what this guy's talking about." And you can direct, even if it's your YouTube channel, you can direct them to your YouTube channel, which then directs them to the affiliate products. It doesn't matter, but just for this purpose, just talking about Instagram. So you post the Instagram link. You post the ClickBank affiliate offer in your bio, and once you boost your followers, they'll click this link and they'll sign up for this program, and boom, you got a sale. Okay, it's as simple as that. Let me go back to one of the accounts that I had an example of, because we picked the health and fitness niche. Okay, so you can go on Instagram here and just type in fitness. Okay, Let's just pick the first one here. So this person, it might not be a woman, it might be a man. He created a fitness Instagram account, right? And has 991,000 followers and only following 94 people or Instagram accounts. This is ridiculous, right? But this person has 6,067 posts. This person posts consistently and gets consistent engagement, not only likes but comments, right? They post videos that are related to the niche or the category that they're in, right? And maybe this video is talking about how to, do dumbbell flies or something with a dumbbell. This is showing results of this. I don't know how old he is. It looks like a little kid, whatever. I don't know. Or good content, good video, entertaining videos to grow followers and to get engagement, right? Let's pick this one for example. So this is the ad post, the post that they have here. It's not much in it. It's just sending it to certain people, or I have to log in or like to comment. Okay. Let's see if we can find a good one here. These are all just so I need to sign in. I'm not logged in right now. But what you do is, like, let's say this post, for example, this fitness person will write like a little post about this video, and it will say follow @fitness for more, or look at the link in the description for a free book or for a great product that will show you how you can get results today, something like that. And then the people, let's see, 22,000 views. Let's say like one person out of those 22,000 views, they want to go to this link, and boom, there's a link in the bio right here. We open it up, and there's the product. Okay, buythisbook.com, how to set up your business for under $1,000. So this product is not even in health and fitness, but I'm pretty sure they're getting a lot of sales with it just because they're driving a lot of traffic on their Instagram account. Okay. So it's that simple. Now that's the way you can do it if you want to create an audience by yourself through your own Instagram account. Now you can also, this way is much faster, but it does cost some money. You can, let's say you want to make your own, okay? But you can also leverage someone like this fitness person who has an Instagram, and you can say, okay, they already have the followers, they're in my category that I want to promote this product in. How about I reach out to them to see if they can post an ad for me, right, to send me some of their 991,000 followers, so I can get some instant traffic, some instant eyes on my offer, and bam, there's a sale, right? It's simple. All you do is find a account like this, an influencer account like this, and then usually what they do is they have their emails in the bio, right? So you just go here and you email the person and you say, hey, I have this great offer that's in the fitness niche, and I would like, if you are willing, how much would you charge, or how much would you charge me to make one post on my product, right? Or make a couple of posts on my product. And then if they say, oh, it's $30 per post, bam, just pay them $30, $40, $50 per post, and all you need to do is really make two sales per post to get your money and break even, and then whatever you have is just extra money in your pocket, money in the bank. So it's simple, guys. It's just easy money. Just email them, say, hey, I have a post that I like for you to post on your Instagram account since you already have the following. How much would it be? And there it is, bam. So it's a simple strategy, simple thing you can use right now today to do that. So let's talk about how you would create the ad. You can use a tool called Fiverr.com, where you hire somebody just literally for $5 to create an ad. Let's say Instagram marketing. Oh, let's do Instagram ad. Okay, So we went to Fiverr.com. If you want to check out Fiverr, you can click the link in the description. It is free to join Fiverr. All you do is pay for the people to do the job for you, but Fiverr is free. Okay, you go down here and you see these people, 4.2 stars, 5.0 stars. You know, that's kind of high, but $5, $10, right? Just find someone to create an Instagram ad for you, and then give that ad to this person, pay them the money, and let them post it, and it's instant traffic and instant sales, guys. It's easy, simple, and straight and to the point. All right. In the comments below, if you would, let me know if you like this strategy. Let me know if you think this strategy with Instagram will work. Is it a good strategy? Is it not a good strategy? Let me know. Let me know what you think. Okay. And if you like this video, hit the like button. Like I said again, comment below and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to learn more about how to make money online and how to create the life that you want, making passive income, whether it's affiliate marketing, drop shipping, or whatever it is. Okay, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Okay guys, thanks for watching this. Check the links out in the description if you want to, again, if you still want to know different opportunities on how you can create a successful business. Check the links out in the description. I'm not trying to sell you anything, but I'm just trying to help you get to where you want to be, because if you can help as many people get where they want to be, you'll get where you want to be. Okay, so check out the link in the description. I have my free affiliate marketing guide. So it's a free guide showing you step by step how you can get started today, and it's for free. That would be the #1 link in the description, so check that one out. Also check out the other resources like ClickFunnels. One thing we didn't go over in this video is that instead of just sending your traffic straight to the offer, send them to an email list, or send them to your a funnel that will capture their email, capture their name, and be sent to your list, so that in the future, if you have future products or future offers that you want to promote to your list, all you do is click a button. You don't have to go back to Instagram and pay somebody else money and pay for ads. You just, you have them on your email list, and you just continue marketing to them. Okay, so that's in the ClickFunnels is in there. Aweber as an autoresponder or GetResponse. All of those have 14-day free trials. So you want to click on the link in the description and get that 14-day free trial. Okay. So hopefully this video wasn't too long, but I hope you enjoyed it. I'm trying to be myself, making videos every day. I'm still new to YouTube, but I'm trying my best to be comfortable and just keep being consistent and bang out material, guys. I'm telling you, be consistent, take action, and you'll get wherever you want to be very soon and become a badass at making money. All right. Like, subscribe, notification bell, and don't forget to comment. All right, and check the links out in the description. Okay, peace.